So as you can see, this market is still on a downtrend. It's not an uptrend yet. Yeah, it's not an uptrend. So market if you follow the market structure well, is the only way you can beat the market. But some people will see this as a reversal, but it's not yet a reversal. Why? Because this structure down here, the market always sweeps liquidity, because the big banks and the financial institution always sweep liquidity, so just for them to change the direction of the market. So this structure here haven't been broken. You see, that's why I drew this line here. I was expecting the market to break, to just give us a sweep, then reverse, but the market never did that. But there's a liquidity right here, and the market is about to sweep. Yeah, so that's why I see the market rallying up like this. It's never give us a breathing space, like a trading space, just like this. You see, if you look at it now, this is your lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Then the market change direction. But if you look at this structure right here, all this structure right here, you get to notice that that the market never give us a breathing space to trade. Market never give us a breathing space because of this liquidity is coming to sweep here. And now the market has taken out this liquidity right here. Has taken out liquidity. So for it now to now begin another, for it to change direction, to now follow the main trend. That is the main downtrend direction is trying to change. So this place now is going to be our main structure we will be targeting. But for us to enter this trade now, what we're looking for now is a change of character. So what is a change of character? A change of character is when the structure of the market has changed. That's when you now have a lower low, and a lower high and a lower low. That is for downtrend. That is for downtrend I'm talking about. So a downtrend change to an uptrend, you have a higher low and a lower low. Then the market will now shift, will now break the higher low. That higher low now turn to your higher high. So that's exactly what we're looking for. But now the market now is changed from an uptrend to a downtrend. If you look at the market well, market is uptrend. Let me put this in 30 minutes time frame so you guys will see the clear picture. So the market now is an uptrend. The market now is an like in the 4 hours, it's just like the overall direction was downtrend, but in the 15 minute in 30 minutes time frame, this is an uptrend. So this uptrend now, this is the liquidity swept. This line Nigeria was liquidity swept. So we're looking for a change of character, and it has given us the changing of character since on Friday. It has given a change of character since on Friday. If you look at the market well, you see. If you look at the market well, you see this higher low, higher high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So now the market now has changed direction. So this is our uptrend here. So we have lower, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. This is our higher low, this is our higher high. So now we'll now draw this structure. We'll now draw the structure. So now the market now it has changed the direction. But before we enter this trade, we can't enter the trade here. We can't enter the trade at this place, because the market needs you need to put a tighter stop loss. Because if you say you want to enter your trading, and if the trade goes against you, you're going to lose a lot of money. Just imagine you're risking 500 pips. No, it's too much. So you give the price, a breathing space. As for me, the way I trade as a smart money concept trader, I look for liquidities and fair value gaps. So where is the liquidity I'm looking for right here? This is my liquidity I'm looking for. This liquidity I'm watching out for. This place that price rejected multiple times before breaking the structure to the downside. This place part right here. This part right here, the price bounce multiple times. If you look, watch out. If you look at the week right here, You see price rejected multiple times, and this is my fair value gap right here. So this is the way price rejected multiple times before breaking down, before breaking this structure as a downtrend. So we just wait for price to just give us the sweep or this liquidity, and then I will enter. Then but this trade is going to take place, I think maybe on today's tomorrow will be Sunday, Monday. I'm expecting a trade on Monday. So this is where, let me just put my this thing right here. So this is where I'll be entering the trade, and my stop loss will be here. I might take profits. Then we will now be targeting the, we'll now be targeting the next liquidity, the next swing point. So this is my swing point here. So this is how basically trade for a tighter stop loss though. This is how I set my tight stop loss. So it's a couple of pips above the recent high of the liquidity sweep. So this is right here. So now I'm now risking 170 dollar to target $600. That is about 1 to 6 reward ratio. So this is how I trade, guys.